Today's topic is features of Java. As I mentioned, Java is an object-oriented programming language. It has multiple number of features like object-oriented, simple, secure, platform-independent, dynamic, multi-threaded, distributed application. So these are different types of features in Java. Let us see one by one in detail. Let us move with the first feature called as simple. So Java designer built the language in such a way that it is easy to write Java programs with the particular syntax. It allows the experienced programmers who know C and C++ to move away to Java more quickly. Since Java syntax are derived from C and object-oriented concepts are derived from C++. So if you know already about object-oriented principles, then it is very easy to write programs in Java. And one more main part is nothing but the confusing and ambiguous concepts of C++ are removed from Java, as they have been re-implemented in a clear way. It is not removed, it is re-implemented in a clear way. For example, the concepts like pointers, operator overloading are not there in Java, but they were an important part of C++. So for that reason, I can say that Java is a simple language. Coming to the next one, object oriented. In Java, everything is in terms of objects, which allows the user to solve the given problem in terms of classes and objects. Writing the solution in terms of classes and objects will produce your code, which is easy to write, maintain, and also reuse. So we know all are different types of object oriented features like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. These are different types of features. For that reason, it is also one of the important features in Java. Coming to robust in nature, errors in Java does not crash the virtual machine, or it doesn't hurt the underlying operating system. Why? Because several built-in Java features helps the users to create reliable programs. For example, as Java is a strongly typed language which requires the programmer to declare the type of variable before using it. Java also have built-in memory management mechanism known as garbage collector. So whatever the memory which is left will be collected by that and it will maintain for further purposes. And also Java provide exceptional handling to handle runtime errors. So while you are writing a program, if you after execution of that during runtime, it will find out the errors and those errors will be automatically handled with the concept of exceptional handling. And also the pointers available in C++ are not supported by Java, which may lead to memory errors. So for these particular reasons, I can say that Java is robust in nature. Let us move with another feature, platform independent. Java is guaranteed to be write once, run anywhere language. On compilation, Java program will be compiled and it is converted into bytecode. This bytecode can be executed on any of the operating system which consists of Java runtime environment. If you consider here, this is an example, this is a class file, after execution of this, it will get a bytecode. That bytecode can be run on any of the operating system. Why? Because they are having Java virtual environment here. Java virtual machine is available, so either it can run in OS, Mac, Windows, or any Linux. So for that reason, we can call it as Java as an platform independent. Let us move with next concept called as secure. So Java consists of a sandbox security model which is available in applets. So this will prevent the Java program from accessing the resources of the user system. When it comes to security, Java is always the first choice. With Java secure features, it enables us to develop virus-free, tamper-free system. For example, if you consider here, this is a C++ application. If you want to run this, it will make use of runtime environment of OS. But whereas coming to Java application, it will make use of an runtime environment of its own JVM, nothing but Java virtual machine, but it doesn't depend upon the OS. So, and there is also Java is secured by because there is a no concept of explicit pointers here. So we can say that Java is more secure compared to other object-oriented programming languages. Coming to multi-threading, Java allows us to create interactive programs which require threads. So multi-threading enables a program to carry out multiple tasks at a time. For example, consider listening to music, writing something on a piece of paper at the same time. And if you want, you can take another example. It uses the while typing compilers may automatically check errors, grammatical errors, and it will rectify that. So this is also comes under a concept called as multi-threading. So Java provides multi-process synchronization primitives so that programmers can free from worries of providing complex solutions. So few solutions will be covered with the concept of multi-threading, where it will create a thread for a particular process. Next, coming to architectural neutral, Java compiler generates the bytecode, which we can run on any machine, gives the same output. For that reason, I can say that it is architecturally neutral, which is nothing but Java's goal is to enable programmers to develop program which has write once, run anywhere property. So for that reason, Java programming language is easy to interrupt on any language. You can execute on any operating system or any machine, which consists of JVM. Next, coming to portability. Portability is achieved through Java's architecture neutrality and through a strict definition of the language. So no implementation dependent features. Nothing is means implementation is not mandatory here. Nothing is given as a mandatory. For that reason, it can be executed on any other machines. So everything is related to storage is predefined. This is also one of the advantage of portability. For example, if you consider the size of the data type, if you run on any of the machine, this it will be same. But whereas if you consider with C or C++, integer can be unsigned and its size varies according to the system's register size. So for that reason, we can say that Java is having a portable feature, but whereas coming to other programming language doesn't consist of portability nature. And coming to high performance, many virtual machines make use of JIT, just-in-time compilers, that allows the bytecode into platform-specific instructions as the program executes, so that it will help to improve the performance of Java program. Or if you consider here, as C or C++ is compiled language, they are fast, whereas compared to Java, as Java is an interpreted language. Interpreted language is nothing but it is a type of programming language for which of its implementation execute instructions directly and freely without previously executing a program into a machine language instructions, which is nothing but it will convert a program of one type language to the same type of language, not in other type of language. So this is interpreted language. You can see if example in clear in next slides. Next, coming to distributed feature, Java provides different types of libraries for handling TCP, transmission control protocol, internet protocol, which is nothing but it will control the transmission of which will control the communication between the networks, and also file transfer protocol and other network protocols, which enables programmer to easily develop distributed applications. Means it will controls all the file transferring or communication with the help of Java. And Java also provide a remote method invocation. So this, which is nothing but it allows an object residing in one system to access or invoke an object from the other system, which is nothing but a JVM. So it also provides remote communication between Java programs. It is provided in terms of package in Java. So for that reason, we can say that Java is having a distributed feature. Next, coming to dynamic, Java program maintains non-trivial amount of runtime information, which is used to verify and access objects at runtime. So whenever if you are executing a program, so it dynamically links small fragment of bytecode during execution of the application. So for that reason, we can say that it is dynamic in nature. So these are different types of features that deal with object-oriented programming, which is nothing but Java. So we can move to the next topic in this session. Thank you.